Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Gina Stidman and I am the business developer for Delivery Swift Connect. We offer SMS text message marketing software to both big and small businesses. Today I am going to show you the backend to our business portal and give you some general education on text message marketing. So let's get started. Our backend web address is delivery swift.txhd.io. This is our login screen here. And I hope everyone's having a wonderful day, staying safe and healthy. Perfect. So this is logging us in here. And I am actually going to log into my personal Delivery Swift account. I have a vintage store and website online, and so I use text message marketing to communicate with my customers beyond social media and email lists. I find this very effective with a younger generation, and also algorithms on social media are completely saturating organic business posts without paid promotion, which is very unfortunate. So with text message marketing, the data shows that every text is read within 3 minutes of being delivered 98% of the time. So text message marketing out of any other medium seems to be the most effective for generating sales and customer retention and just building customer loyalty and sending out general communication from the business to the customer. So that is why I use text message marketing for my business. When you log into the back end of Delivery Swift Connect, you will first come onto your dashboard here. There are a couple of visual graphs, which are really nice to see the last 15 days activity. When was I active? When was I not active? This graph here is color-coded based on how many messages were sent, how many were delivered, and then what those messages were, if they were campaigns, if they were auto response messages, if they were disclaimers. You can see all that here. On the left, also we can see how many messages were sent, how many were delivered, how many opt-ins for keywords, and then this is my total monthly message limit, and my total limit for a keyword is 5 keywords. We see here keyword, how many opt-ins, and short code. We will get to keywords in a bit. For now, a short code simply means this is your number that is being sent to your customer and where it's coming from. So if you have a place of business and you have a landline, we can incorporate that onto your system with Delivery Swift Connect to be sent as the phone number that the message is coming from. I, however, don't have a place of business. Mine is all online for my website, and so the system generates a short code, and so all the texts that are sent from me and my website are coming from 52236. Keyword opt-ins, this simply means that a customer can text this keyword, Hippie Gina, to my short code, 52236, and they will be automatically opted in. That's what that means. Okay, so this is the dashboard. I will skip down to subscribers. Here we will see all our subscribers in different groups. So if you have existing customer data from a POS system or online website, we can get that uploaded onto your account if you extract it in the form of like an Excel file or something of that nature. This is the easiest way to add existing customers to your data. That way you have some numbers to be sent, for messages to be sent to. Otherwise, all of them are being gained organically by opt-ins. So you can view your groups here, existing customer data. You can delete, you can view, you can search a specific customer if you'd like. There you are. So that is the existing customer numbers. Here are the keyword opt-ins that I was just talking about. So how many people have texted in Hippie Gina to my short code 52236. There is another keyword here. We have a web form opt-in option, which is just a URL link that you can incorporate into your website. This feature is very nice because in addition to just gaining a phone number from a customer, we can have them include their birthday, their email address, gender if you would like, zip code, anything like that, and you can collect data from the web form opt-in that way. You could also send out this web form opt-in as a link to your social media for customers to fill out that way. We also have a keypad opt-in, which is similar. It is also a URL link, and this is a really cool option you can have pulled up on a tablet, an iPad, at your place of business by the register facing outward to the customer, where they could just simply type in their phone number. And if they're not a part of your text messaging system, they will automatically be opted in this way. Or you can offer a loyalty rewards program by this keypad opt-in, where if they come into your place of business and type in their phone number into the keypad so many times, you could offer them an incentive. So this is just a way to see all of your customers and their specific groups. Here on the right, we can do a quick add. If you have a phone number you want to add in, you would just type that in and click which group you want them to go into and add subscriber. And just as quickly as that number was added in, you can also quickly opt out a subscriber here. Down below, you will see how many opt-out subscribers there have been. So how they do this is simply responding stop to any text message. They will automatically be opted out, and you'll be able to see all of that information here. Also how many were non-deliverable or bad numbers. Cool. And I believe, yes, you can see your web form here. All of this you edit to your own liking. And so now we'll move on to keywords. Here's where you would create a keyword. And I'll just click on the one I currently have. Cool. So again, they would just text in your keyword or key name to your shortcode. So if you have your phone nearby, you can actually see how this would work for you. So in the body, you would simply type Hippie Gina, HIPPIEGEENA, all one word, and it can either be lowercase, capitalized, that doesn't really matter. And you would just text that to 52236. By doing that, you automatically are opting in. You will get a disclaimer email here. It'll say, welcome to Hippie Gina Alerts. You will now receive recurring messages, standard message, and data rates apply. Reply stop to unsubscribe. And then you also just want to add in your own automated response message. I personally like to put my web address in the first line of every message that's sent out to my customers, so they're not just getting a random text from a random number. And instead of having welcome to the text club in the body, the first line, I would rather have my web address. So you will get the disclaimer, and then you will also get this message, hippiegina.com. Welcome to the text club. Take $5 off your first order with coupon code TEXTCLUB. So this is a great way to get customers into your data. Offer on your social media, hey guys, text in Hippie Gina to 52236 for a $5 off coupon. Or you don't have to offer an incentive at all. You could just simply say, hey, thanks for joining the text club. We look forward to sending you promotions and coupons in the future. Something of that nature. You can add an alternate message here. Let's say a customer knows that you have a $5 off coupon by texting in. So they text in, they get the coupon, they use the coupon, then they opt out, and then they opt back in, and then they get the coupon code again. If you had a customer that was trying to do this, you could add an alternate message that would send the second time. And they would say something like, hey there, I see you already used your $5 off coupon, but enjoy free shipping on the site 24/7. 7. And put the web address. There. So yeah, this is only if you want to have an alternate message if someone opts in twice. So that's just a cool option to have, not necessary. Here you add your business URL, and yeah, and then you would just update this keyword. And there you are. So when you go to keywords, you have, look, here you can see how many remaining that you have. Keywords. Let's say I want to create a group for people that come to my pop-up events, and I let my customers know via social media and email that if they want to receive messages about pop-up events specifically, maybe I could create a keyword named pop-up, and then have them text in pop-up to 52236, and then under subscribers they would be under their own keyword pop-up, and I could send just that group specific text regarding pop-up events. Keywords are really, really fun to play around with, and you can definitely use these for your business in many different ways. It's fun to get creative with them. Maybe if you have multiple stores and multiple states, you could do keywords that way. So if you have a store in, Oklahoma, let's say you create a keyword Oklahoma and have your Oklahoma customers text in 52236. That way you're not sending things that are irrelevant to one group and you just want them to be sent to one group. It's just all about organizing your data and your subscribers. Auto SMS here, we have the option to automatically send birthday texts. If you have that data pulled from your POS or your website, that is great. We can add that into the customer data. So you would just be able to here create a birthday text that would be sent automatically. And same thing with reoccurring campaigns. If you want a text to be sent on special holidays or events to automatically be sent, you would do that here. Loyalty rewards is very, very cool. I was talking about it earlier, where you could have this up on a tablet at your place of business, or perhaps a pop-up event, or you could even have your employee have this pulled up on a computer. And when people come to your place of business, simply ask for their phone number or allow them to type it in themselves. And again, if they aren't in the system already, this is a great way to get people opted in very quickly. Or if they are opted in and you want to offer the loyalty rewards, this is them checking in. So here you could say after 10 check-ins, congrats, you won a 50% off coupon code. Obviously, it would be specific to your place of business. However you wanted to use this loyalty rewards, it's totally up to you. I think it's very necessary these days for a business to offer a loyalty rewards program because it does gain loyalty from your customers. SAM features. There's a couple options here. You can have a referral option where a current subscriber of yours could send out a referral to their friends and family to opt into your data for your text message marketing. And if they opt in, they decide they want to, this is a great way to generate customers without doing anything beyond creating the referral. We also have a digital scratch card that is specific to our technology and unique to our technology. You would upload your logo here and send out a contest. So you would put in what the winner description is, what the loser description is, how many winners there are, what they're winning, and send this out, and it would come up as your logo, and they would simply take their finger and scratch off digitally to see if they're a winner. And we get a lot of great responses from this. A lot of customers enjoy interacting with the phone and your place of business this way in hopes of winning a prize. So we've covered dashboard, we've covered auto SMS, we've covered keywords, subscribers, loyalty rewards, SAM. So we will move on to campaigns. And this is the whole idea of the platform, is sending text to your customers. Here you can send a campaign by sending it immediately or scheduling it for a future date on a specific date at a specific time. So here you would name your campaign, and your customers don't see this. This is just a way for you to know what campaign is what. And really, you can send whatever you'd like. Hello there. Hello there. We miss you. Take 25% off your purchase with coupon code hello at checkout. And you don't have to put characters. You can type it out or do whatever. It's totally customizable to you. If you have a URL, you can, like a link you want to provide, you can incorporate that there. You will see here how many characters are left. So if you add a link to social media or it's a longer link and it takes up too many characters, you can shorten the code here. Let's say hippiegina.com, which I wouldn't add here because it's already in the body, but just an example, it will shorten the code there. So then you will select which groups you want this to be sent to. If you want it to just be sent to your existing customers, or the keypad opt-in, or the web form opt-in, you can send it to all. Totally up to you. Review campaign, you'll see it here, what it'll look like. You can send yourself a preview as well, and I definitely encourage this option because you want to see on the phone what it will look like for your customers. And you also want to double check your links and make sure those are working as well, and then you would simply send the campaign. Here you can send a single phone number campaign. If you just have one person you need to send a message to from your place of business, you can do that here. Past campaigns, this is where you see all the campaigns that you have sent, and you can reuse any of them. So that's why you want to name them appropriately to what they are. So you can, if you're looking for one specifically, you can see it there and reuse. So for the single phone number campaign, I like to use this option to send out tracking information when I've shipped out a package. So it'll look like this, hippiegina.com. Thanks so much for your recent purchase. Track your package at tools.usps.com. USPS tracking number is here. And then you would just send this to a specific customer. You would search them. Oh, there we go. Cool. Review campaign. There it is. And then you would just send. And that's how you use single phone campaign. You could also, use this for anything specific to your business. Past campaigns. Here you would see any schedule campaigns that you currently have set up. I don't have any. And then also, if you have a place of business where you would like your customers to have the option to text back to you, you can turn that feature on and you would have an inbox here. A lot of my clients that are dispensaries, they like this option to offer their customers to be able to text in their order ahead of time. So they're not shopping around once they're there. If they know specifically what they want, they can text it in and say, hey, I want this, that, and I'll be by later today to pick that up. So I think we've covered almost all of it. Down below you have tools where you can upload images and there's settings. Reporting is really cool. Here you're able to see specifics about all the campaigns that you've sent out. How many messages were delivered, how many were bad numbers, how many unsubscribed. You see all that data here. Same with the referrals, the scratchers. URL clicks are really important because the whole idea of the text message marketing is that you want customers to be redirected to your place of business through the text messages that you're sending. So here you can actually see how many were clicked through for each specific campaign that was sent during this time frame, which is pretty cool. So I believe we've covered everything. This was just a little short demo for you guys to see the backend portal of Delivery Swift Connect and kind of how you can use it for your business or an idea of. And again, my name is Gina. I'm the business developer for Delivery Swift Connect. I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have or give any more information to anyone out there that's interested in text message marketing and growing their business with this new and very efficient marketing medium. You will definitely be seeing this as the new norm moving forward in the future with the accessibility to technology and software like this. So I will be putting my contact information in the bio of this video, and I can't wait to hear from you. And I hope everyone has a great day. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Bye now.